show you how to create Steam account. So at first open your any browser, like I'm open my Chrome browser. Go to search option, search it to Steam. Okay, press on this link and look here the top bar showing it to login option. Just press on. And just press on create an account. Enter your email address. Confirm your email address and select your country. Press on I'm human and right mark. Press on to continue. Okay, you need to just check your Gmail address. I'm get verification code. Just open, verify my email address. Okay, now successfully verify my email address. Get back again. Then I'm get this option. Enter Steam account name. And enter password. Press on done. Okay, now successfully create my Steam account and view my profile. Okay, alright, now successfully create my Steam account.